In this video, I will show you how to verify your identity on the Kraken app. So first, to do this, you will need to go and sign up, so just create your account. For that, you only need your email, password and phone number. From there, they will already start asking for some details such as your first and last name, your date of birth, your nationality. Just enter all of those details. From there, you will see something like this, so complete account setup. Now in the home screen, just click verify identity. Then they will ask for your passport number. Now that's for the Netherlands. If you're from a different country, it may be slightly different. Now, for example, if I want to use my identity card, I'll click I do not have a passport. And then from here, it will ask for my identity card number. Then they will ask where do you live, so just enter your address and then click continue. Then they will ask you to upload a photo of your ID. So a valid government issued photo ID is required to verify your identity. So just going to click on continue. Then what country is your government ID from? For me, the Netherlands. So again, click continue. Then they'll ask what kind of ID you want to use. For example, I'll use a national ID card. And from there, just click on continue and give it access to your camera. And then what you want to do is just take a picture of your ID card. And from there, they will go and check it. And from there, you can now start using Kraken and you will have verified your account. So that's how to verify your Kraken account on your phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.